A stuck drill bit in your DeWalt chuck is a common frustration. Understanding the causes and proper removal techniques will save you time and prevent damage to your tools. Several factors can cause drill bits to become stuck. Using the wrong bit type for your material, insufficient lubrication, over-tightening the chuck, debris accumulation, or damage to the chuck mechanism are the most common culprits. Start with the simplest approach. Try to manually loosen the chuck by gripping it firmly and turning counterclockwise. Sometimes this basic technique is all you need. If manual loosening fails, use a wrench or vice grips for better leverage. Always protect the chuck surface with a cloth to prevent scratches or damage while applying force. Clean the exposed bit to remove any dirt or debris. Grip the bit with pliers and wiggle it while gently turning counterclockwise and pulling. This combination of movements often breaks the bit free. You can use the drill's own power to help remove stuck bits. Fully charge the drill, set the torque to maximum, put it in reverse, then grip the chuck with pliers or a rubber lid opener while briefly activating the drill. Light tapping with a hammer can help break the bit loose. Be gentle to avoid damaging the chuck mechanism. Penetrating oil like WD-40 can dissolve rust and debris that may be causing the bit to stick. Apply it around the chuck and let it penetrate before attempting removal. Remember to try these methods progressively, starting with the gentlest approaches first. Most stuck bits can be removed with patience and the right technique. When basic removal methods fail, more advanced techniques are needed. First, secure your drill in a vise with the chuck facing upward for better leverage and control. Use pliers or a strap wrench to grip the chuck firmly. Turn counterclockwise while applying steady pressure. The strap wrench provides better grip without damaging the chuck surface. If the drill bit is broken inside the chuck, you may need to disassemble the chuck. Use a Dremel tool with an abrasive cutting disc to carefully slice down the sides of the chuck housing. Regular maintenance prevents most chuck problems. Clean the chuck regularly with compressed air to remove debris from ventilation slots and moving parts. Lubricate the chuck regularly to prevent drill bits from sticking. Apply a small amount of machine oil to the chuck threads and moving parts, but avoid over-lubrication. If your chuck is damaged beyond repair, drill bits slip, won't open or close properly, or jaws are damaged, it's time for replacement. First, remove the battery for safety. Open the chuck jaws fully and locate the set screw inside. This screw has reverse threads, so turn it clockwise to remove it. Then insert a large Allen wrench into the chuck and tighten it securely. Set the drill to its lowest gear setting, then strike the Allen wrench sharply with a hammer in a counterclockwise direction. This will loosen the chuck so you can unscrew it by hand. To install the new chuck, thread it on by hand, then tighten the set screw counterclockwise since it has reverse threads. Finally, hand tighten the chuck using an Allen wrench for a secure fit. Prevention is key to avoiding chuck problems. Store your drill in a dry place, use sharp drill bits to reduce strain, and allow the drill to cool down when working with tough materials. Regular cleaning and lubrication will keep your chuck functioning smoothly for years.